Alhamdulillahi wahdah wassalatu wassalamu ala man la nabiyya ba'dah wa ala alihi wa ashabihi alladhina awfaw ahdah. Sacrifice is obligatory or sunnah. Explain an important issue. In Sharia, some actions are fard, some are obligatory wajib, some are sunnah muakkada, some are mustahab, and some are permissible mubah. The one who denies fard is a non-Muslim, and the one who abandons is a sinner. The one who denies the wajib is not a non-Muslim, and the one who abandons is a sinner. The sunnah must be revived. Allah Almighty is angry if the sunnah is not followed, but it is less than obligatory. Mustahab is better to perform. If not perform, it is not a sin. To perform mubah, it is fine. Then don't do it, then it is still fine. Sacrifice is obligatory. Don't be under the misconception that sacrifice is sunnah if it's okay to do and it's okay not to do. No, no. Anyone has 52.5 tola of silver or 1,47,000 rupees, then sacrifice will be obligatory for him. In Surah Al-Kawthar, Surah number 108 and verse number 2, فَصَلِّ لِرَبِّكَ وَانْحَرْ, offer prayer and sacrifice for Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Imam Abu Bakr Ahmad al-Razi al-Jassas, may Allah be pleased with him, has passed away in 307 Hijri, says, قال الحسن صلاة يوم النحر ونحر البدن. قال أبو بكر هذا التأويل يتضمن معنيين أحدهما إجاب صلاة الأضحى والثاني وجوب الأضحية. To offer prayer and to sacrifice an animal on 10th Dhul Hajj. This is the message in this verse, and says there are two meanings of this verse. The first one is to offer prayer is obligatory. Similarly, it is as obligatory as sacrificing an animal. Both are obligatory. Ahkamul Quran lil Jassas, volume number 3, page number 419. According to this verse, famous Mufassir Qazi Sanaullah Panipati, may Allah be pleased with him, passed away in 1225 Hijri, says, قال عكرمة وعطاء وقتادة فصل لربك صلاة العيد يوم النحر ونحر نسكك فعلى هذا يثبت به وجوب صلاة العيد والأضحية. This verse proves that both Eid prayers and sacrifice are obligatory. Tafsir Mazhari, volume number 10, page number 353. Similarly, in Sunan Ibn Majah, Musnad Ahmad, and As-Sunan al-Kubra lil-Bayhaqi, anna Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam qala, man kana lahu sa'atun wa lam yudhahi fala yaqrabanna musallana. Sunan Ibn Majah, page number 226. Chapter Sacrifice is obligatory or no. Musnad Ahmad, Al-Sunan al-Kubra, Book of Sacrifice. Hazrat Abu Huraira, may Allah be pleased with him, has narrated that Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam said, whoever has capacity and doesn't offer sacrifice, so they didn't come near or musalla, Eidgah or prayer area. This is what the Holy Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam wants so strongly, that the person who doesn't offer sacrifice, they didn't come near or musalla Eidgah. وَمِثْلُ هَذَا الْوَعِيدِ لَا يُلْحَقُ بِتَرْكِ غَيْرِ الْوَاجِبِ. When someone leaves the obligatory, he will be warned strongly, and leaving the non-obligatory, Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam doesn't warn strongly. In short, the full summary of my lecture: sacrifice is obligatory on every Muslim who have nisab, money, gold, silver, etc. Don't take it lightly. If you offer sacrifice, you will be rewarded here and hereafter. And if you didn't, you will be sinner. May Allah Almighty help us all to understand the rules of Sharia. Ameen. Wa akhiru da'wana anil hamdulillahi rabbil alamin.